Okay, let's look at question number 17, part B, the statistics question. Consider the following frequency distribution with k class intervals, where xi is the class mark and fi is the frequency of the ith class interval. So these are the midpoints, these are the frequencies. Write down the mean and standard deviation of the above frequency distribution. Right, this is just theory. What is mean? X bar is what? You do what? Frequency into xi, the midpoints. From I goes from 1 to k over sigma, not sigma fi. Oh yeah, sigma fi frequency is going phi the frequency of the I class. I goes from 1 to k frequency. You add the frequencies and divide by that. So that is mean. Then standard deviation sigma is what? Sigma I goes from 1 to k fi xi square over I goes from 1 to k sigma fi minus mean square and whole thing square root. Right, so that's the first part. Then the deposit of 100 customers of a micro savings loan community club over 5 years is listed below in the table. Deposit sign 10,000 rupees. Right, this is, first of all, notice it's a gap one. 15 to 19, then 19 to 20, that is a gap. Similar 24 to 25. So these are class limits, not class boundaries. So when you are doing the question, convert them to class boundaries, because to find median mode you need class boundaries. Right, then the frequencies are given. It is given that the frequency of the model class is 28. Frequency of the median class is 21. Median is less than mode and mode is less than 34.5. Mode is less than 34.5. So then mean mode has to be inside of one of these four. Can't be in 35 to 39, can't be in 40 to 44. That's clear, no? Because both of them are less than 34.5. Right. And median and model class are two different classes because they have two different frequencies here. So median class should be less than mode class. So let's first figure out the median. So 100 over 2, 50th. So median will come from the 50th element. So up to here 30. So median can be this or this. Can't be this, no. Then what happens? Model class becomes median class also. So that can't happen. So F has to be 21. And median is greater than, sorry, median is less than mode. So this is correct. So then, because median is less than mode, G has to be 28. Then P has to be what? All of these subtracted from 100. 10 plus 20 plus 7 plus 21 plus 28. 30, 37, 40, 58, 70, 58, 88, 86, 40. So P is 40. Right, so that part is done. Right, then calculate the median deposit of a member in rupees. Right, and using assume mean. Right, first let's do the table again with class boundaries. Class bound. class boundaries, frequency fi, then xi, midpoint is xi. No, we don't need midpoint for median. Median we only need frequency and cumulative frequency. So let's put cumulative frequency here. Cumulative frequency there. So right. So let's write the class boundaries 15 to 19. So that is 14.5, 19.5, then 19.5 to 24.5, 24.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 34.5, 34.5 to 39.5, and the final one is 39.5 to 44.5. Right, then frequencies, let's write them down. 10, 20, 10, 20. Then F and G are 21, 28, E is 14, 21, 28, 14, 7, and the total frequency sigma Fi is 100. Then cumulative frequency will note down 10, 30, 51, 79, 93, 100. Right. Then right, median we have to find first in part 1, median deposit, right? So then let's see, median was in here, no, n is what, n over 2 is what, 100 over 2, which is 50. So this is median class. Then what are the terms we need? CFM minus 1, which is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class, which is 30. Then frequency of the median class, which is Fm, frequency of the median class, which is what, which is 21. Then the lower boundary of the median class, which is 24.5. Right, we have all the terms required. So now apply the median formula. Median is given by what? Lower boundary of the median class. I forgot one term. The H, the class size. Class sizes are all what? 5. So the formula is what? N over 2 minus cumulative frequency preceding the median class H also we have to multiply by this. So H here, then divided by the frequency of the median class. Right? So then L is what? 24.5. H is 5. N over 2 is 50. CF minus 1 is 30. That divided by frequency of the median class 21. So 24.5. 5 into 10, 100, 100 over 21. So let's figure out 100 over 21. 4, 84, 16, 4.7, 13, 4.7, 4.76, right? 4.76, 24.5 plus 4.76, so it is 29.26, but we want the median in rupees, so multiply by 10,000. So median is 29.26 into 10,000. These are in 10,000 p 10,000s denominations of that, so 229, right? This amount of rupees is the median, right? Then what? Median done. Now we have to find mean. We have been given assumed mean to be 320,000. Using an assumed mean of 320,000, calculate the mean deposit of a member in rupees, right? So then we will do it like this. We have to now get the midpoint values and use assume mean, right? So let's create the table, the other columns of the table, right? So to find the mean, we have to assume, we have to use the assume mean 32,000, 320,000, so 320,000. So first let's write down the midpoints. Midpoints in, erase this column. Cumulative is done. So cumulative is done. So midpoints are what? Better to use this one, 15 plus 19, 70. Then class size is 5, no, just add 5. 27, 32, 37, 42, right? Okay, so we have to assume mean to be what? 320,000 means 32. Assume mean is 32. Class size is 5, right? So we'll use the step deviation method. So we can do what? Ui to be, we can define ui as xi minus a over h, right? So that would be xi minus 32 over 5. So let's create the ui values now. So 17 minus 32 is minus 15 over 5 is minus 3. 22 minus 32, 10, minus 10 over minus 10 over 5, minus 2. This will become minus 1, 0, 1, 2, right? So ui's are done. Then to find the mean, I need what? I need fi ui, right? Fi ui, which is 10 into minus 3 minus 30, minus 40, minus 21, 0, 40, 40. Right. So then sigma fi ui is equal to minus 70 minus 91, 63. This is 63, right? So then let's find the mean. So we took ui to be xi minus a over h, right? Then we know what xi is equal to a plus hui. So x bar is a plus h u bar or sigma fi over sigma fi. This will lead to this, no, x bar equals a plus h u bar. U bar is sigma fi ui over sigma fi. So we want mean. So a is the assumed mean 32, h is 5, this is 63. Now we found here sigma fi was 100. So we get 5 into 63 is 350. So 32 plus 3.15. No? HUXI HUI. Where is this correct? Let's go back. So this is wrong because this is minus 63. No? This is minus 63, not positive 63. Right, so minus 63, so minus 3.15. So that will give you 28.85. No? 28.85. So in mean in rupees is what? 288,500 rupees. Right. So then what is part 3? Show the standard show that the standard deviation for deposit correct to one decimal place is 69,500. So we have to find the standard deviation. So let's use this relationship. What is the relationship here? Xi is equal to a plus h ui, then what do we know? H plus ui sigma square would be h square. So sigma x would be equal to h times sigma u, right? So then we have to find sigma u first. Sigma u we can know, just one more here, fi ui square, fi ui square. So minus 30 into minus 3 minus 9 minus 80 minus no sorry plus 90 plus 90 plus 80 plus 21 0 14 28. So then sigma fi ui square is 170 191 233. 170 191 200 233. Right. So then let's find sigma u first, which is sigma fi ui square over sigma fi minus u bar square. So this one is 233 over 100 minus u bar square is u bar we found here somewhere. This one minus 63 over 100, which is minus 0.063 minus 0.063 square. So you have 2.33 0.63 into 0.63 9 8 1.6 8 136 7 3 0 0 six nine three 0.3969 3969, so they'll take it as 0.4. So then this is what 1.93, right? Square root of 1.93 is what, 1.93. Let's see, 196 is around 1.4, 139. It's around 139. No, let's check. Yeah, 139, right? 1.4 is 196. We'll take it as close to 1.39, because 14 squared is what? 14 squared is 196. So 1.4 is 1.96. 1.39 should be close to this. So then we have sigma u. Now we can find sigma x. Sigma x is what? H into sigma u, which is 5 into 1.39, which is 6.95, right? 6.95. So then multiply by 10,000. So sigma x is what? 69,500. Correct. Correct. So that is done. Then the final one is what? Find the number of members who have deposited less than 395,000 rupees. So less than that. So then all of this, only this section has deposited more than that. So 100 minus 793. So all of these people together has deposited less than 395,000. So only 7 people have deposited more than that. Total 100 minus 7, 93. So last part answer is 93. Right. So that is the statistics question.